In today's video, I'm going to teach you simple steps to get free Google Ads credit. If you're new to Google Ads and want to reduce your initial costs, this is a straightforward way to take advantage of Google's promotional credits. The key idea is simple. Create a brand new Google Ads account as a new advertiser, apply a valid promo code, meet the spend requirement within the specified time window, and let the credit apply automatically. First, start with a fresh Google Ads account. These promos are for new advertisers only, so if you've previously run ads with your personal account, you likely won't qualify. Create the new account, set your time zone and currency carefully, you can't change those later, and add a valid payment method so your campaigns can run without interruptions. Next, enter a promo code. Google frequently offers Spend X, Get X style credits through their own site, partner offers, or email promotions. These codes usually have eligibility rules, a country limit, and an expiration date, so check the fine print. To add or check a code, open Google Ads, go to Billing, then Promotions. This page shows where to paste a code and whether any promotions are already active or pending. Now, meet the spend requirement. Most offers ask you to spend a certain amount within 30 days from the date the code is applied or the account is first served ads. Set a daily budget that makes sense for your goal and timeline, and run at least one campaign with enough traffic to reach that threshold. Keep an eye on performance and pacing to make sure you'll hit the requirement before the deadline. If you pause everything or set your budget too low, you might miss the window. Once you meet the requirement, the credit is applied automatically. You don't need to request it. You'll see the promo amount appear in your billing section and on your monthly statement. The credit typically covers future costs until it's used up. It isn't cash and can't be withdrawn. If you don't see it shortly after meeting the spend, double check the promotions page for status, make sure the code was applied correctly, and confirm the terms didn't exclude your account. A few practical tips: always read the offer's terms, as details vary by region and date. Track your spend in the billing summary so you know how close you are to qualifying. And remember, good campaign setup matters. Relevant keywords, clear targeting, and strong ads help you spend efficiently while you work toward the credit. That's it. Create a new account, enter a promo code in billing, promotions, meet the spend, and let the credit roll in automatically.